Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a beef chuck roast in the slow cooker. So let's get cracking. I have about a 4-pound, actually not about, exactly a 4-pound beef chuck roast here. And I seasoned this last night with some kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper and just put it into the fridge. And actually I trimmed off the excess fat. There was quite a bit of fat on the outside. And I've been having pretty good luck lately cooking things in a dry crock pot, so I'm just going to put put this into the crock pot all by itself and see how that turns out. I think I'll try cooking this on high. Hopefully it won't dry it out. Guess we'll find out. This has been cooking for about 6 hours on high, and I've checked it a couple of times and it wasn't as tender as I wanted it yet, so let's check it again. Alright, I think that is getting pretty good. It's starting to pull apart. That's the way I want it, so I'm just going to turn this off and just let it cool down for a little bit, and then we'll give it a taste test. This has cooled off some, so I'm going to try to get it out of there now. Look how much liquid is in there. Remember, I put this in a dry pot. That's how much liquid it made. So it made a lot of liquid. Also, it got a lot of color too. I didn't brown it first either, but it has a lot of color on it. This cooked for 6 hours on high in a dry crock pot. So let's see how it turned out here. Doesn't look dry. Not at all. Actually, it looks quite moist. Well, let's give it a try here. That is really good. It's not dry at all. I always thought you needed liquid in the crock pot, but apparently not. Annie the taste test dog is here to give her taste test here. Here you go, Annie. I think she liked it. That meat is going to make an awesome sandwich. I have one of these bake-at-home baguettes to put it on. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.